Hey guys, it's Gavin here from Mopar Connection Magazine. I'm here today with our 2013 Jeep Wrangler Project Trail and Thrash. We had some sponsor send us some product that's going to make our Jeep a bit more fun to drive on-road and off-road. Okay, I've been waiting to open this a little bit of time now. And another package. See here, we have a Edelbrock E-Force Supercharger going on our 3.6 in our Jeep Wrangler. So let's get some of these boxes to the workbench and dive into it a little more. So everything's been opened, but I'm gonna go through it with you. First and foremost, instruction manual. As you can see here, it is chock full info. We have colored instructions, step by step, how cooling's routed. Next, a couple of the loose items, pre-made fuel lines. Looks like a couple fittings for the fuel rails, which is excellent. Speaking of fuel rails, there's a couple boxes here where the nice billet machined fuel rails. Yeah, those are work of art. Assume we have some bigger injectors in here. Here's the SCT X4 programmer. Obviously the motor is going to need a tune, so we'll get into the tuning, custom support. I think this will log some info, show us some different gauges that we don't have on the dash, not just dummy lights. This here is our intercooler, and it is excellent. No damaged fins, manually welded, black powder coat, which is nice. You won't even know it's in the Jeep. Here we have another intercooler, or no, that's actually a radiator. Because this is your intercooler. I think that's a radiator for fluid. Yeah. Okay, I was wrong. Then we have the lower manifold. Looks like it bolts to that other piece. Now it's just a box of hoses, but as you can see, they're all pre-molded, pre-made. I mean, angles, that's some detail. You know, there's some fittings already on that one. It's all the goodies. This looks like must be the coolant fill tank. We got a giant bag of bolts, a new belt, more injectors. So there's all 6 new injectors, a few new pulleys, a new green filter. We have our wiring harness, some bracketry, and they also sent us a nice little flag here, a banner, hang up on our big wall there. Oh yeah, that'll look good hung up there. That's nice. Edelbrock E-Force Supercharger fender mat. But yeah, so once again, I'd just like to thank Edelbrock for being part of the Jeep project, the Jeep build. You know, this is kind of new for us. I know it's a little different, but we're excited. We can't wait to get it on.